Okay, my video just stopped recording, so I'm glad it at least made a little sound. So this is part 2. I must have hit that 33 minutes and 10-second mark or something. For some reason, again, my phone only does that. So, I don't know. That's not what I want to do. So anyway, I have lined up the hinge. I'm just pressing down that tape into that chipboard. And now what I'm going to do, I want to fold it so where it's going to crease, very gently, I'm going to pull up and I'm going to gently press down just so that it makes that paper go in and not stick out. And just at a 90-degree angle or a little bit more. You don't want to go too much. You don't want your paper to rip on the outside. So you don't want to go too far, but just like that. And we're done. So yeah, a short part 2 video. But thank you so much for watching. If you have stuck it out with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate you staying to the end. Again, please comment below. I'd love to hear your ideas. What mini album videos you would like to see, or techniques that you would like to see. And I will do my best to put those up. So we have put together the cover, the hinges, and a base page. You're going to need to make 6 of these. Again, I will put the link below for the kit. And I do have some more coming out. I'm working on some baby albums and some other themes for this style. So look out for those. I'll be doing walkthroughs on my channel once those are done. But if you're making your own, I would love to see what you create. So definitely tag me on Instagram and Facebook. Follow me there, and I post updates of upcoming projects. So thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.